Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ford Pro charging app features for commercial EVs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Ford Pro charging app features for your commercial electric vehicles, start by ensuring that your vehicle is parked in a well-lit area. Next, download and install the Ford Pro charging app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create a Ford account if you don't already have one. Log into your Ford account within the app. Connect your vehicle to the app by selecting Add Vehicle and entering your VIN. Once your vehicle is added, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the charging section to access the various features related to charging. To enable smart charging, select the Smart Charging option. Follow the prompts to set your preferred charging times and rates. Next, explore the charging stations feature to locate nearby charging stations. You can filter the station search results based on charging speed and availability. Now, enable notifications by going to the app settings. This ensures you receive updates on charging status and alerts for any issues. If your vehicle supports bidirectional charging, activate the feature by selecting Vehicle to Grid settings. This allows your vehicle to send power back to the grid when necessary. For fleet management features, navigate to the Fleet section of the app. Here, you can monitor battery health and charging patterns for multiple vehicles. Lastly, ensure all settings are saved before exiting the app. Now you're ready to utilize the Ford Pro charging app for effective management of your commercial EV charging needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.